Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 10 taskbar missing or not responding fix. First method, press Windows Start button, click Settings. Click Personalization, click Taskbar. Turn off automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode and automatically hide the taskbar in tablet mode. Second method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.